Hey everybody, so I just launched Potion widgets yesterday and I wanted to show you how I created this in a fast way in a week to build this. So real quick, what it is it's a directory of Notion widgets. These are all widgets that you can embed in Notion that people are searching for and are hopefully helpful. And then you go to each page and has this cool widget demo where it embeds the demo. You can copy that. You can go to this how-to page and see how to actually do it yourself. And I have kind of this banner and different ways I'm pointing people to Potion. So that's kind of a gist of what Potion widgets is, and I have a lot more widgets I'm adding, as well as some custom ones that I'm creating that are useful. So I have more of those to add. But I wanted to do this in a fast way, and so I used next.js and I used Notion to do this. So this is pretty much my database. It's just this file of widgets. So I can just add a widget, it's just an object. And you can see how I'm pointing to like images, descriptions. Here's like the widget demo. And then the cool thing is that each widget comes with a Notion page that's attached to it. And so actually, like when you click on one of these widgets, this whole how-to is from Notion. So Notion is kind of like my CMS. And then I'm using the Notion library that I'm a maintainer of called React Notion X. And so if we go to the actual page where each widget is kind of rendered, you use this Notion renderer class to render the Notion data. I'm pretty excited with how this turned out, and it's made in a way that's scalable and that I was able to build really quickly. So hopefully this is helpful to some of you in some way, and maybe you can make some, it shows that Notion is a really good tool for things like this. And then here, just to lastly show you, this is where all the guides are. You can click into it and it's just a page in Notion that's being pulled out for the Potion widgets. So pretty sweet. I think definitely some other people should try using the open source library that I've been working on.